What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chuds BBQ. My name is Bradley Robinson, and yes, we are still on the road in Europe. We have made it to Frankfurt, Germany, joined as always by Bones.
Hey.
And Matt James.
Oi.
We lost Evan. He flew back this morning. He's probably landing right about now, honestly. We lost an hour of time on the way over here, so it's like 9 o'clock right now.
Oh, 9 o'clock.
But we don't really have anything planned for Germany. We're going from Frankfurt to Munich in a couple days, but really, I want to eat some good sausage. I want to drink some good beer. I want to get a crispy skin pork knuckle, a pretzel, all the good foods we can find. And we're going to start off immediately. Where are we at, boys?
Polliner Beer Garden. Pan over there.
A lot of people in a garden drinking beer. Let's go. Yep. Cool castle, huh? Or is that a church? I think that's a church. Proust, boys.
Prost.
Now, a few years back on the channel, I did a smoked pretzel. I believe I cooked it on an offset. I think I've done 2 pretzel videos. I did it on the pellet grill as well. And in the first one, I made some Obststock, which is like this cream cheese, cheesy beer cheese situation. So now we're gonna see how I did, like 3 years later. First pretzel in Germany, though, looking pretty good. Get rid of that. Yeah. Oh, look at that tug.
I just want the cheese.
Wow. Oh, look at this civilized human over here. Straight off the plane, already drinking beer, eating pretzels and Obststock.
The cheese is sharper than I thought, I think. Yeah, really good. That onion is nice on there.
I like how they use salt in this country.
Yeah. I like how chunky it is. All the onions in there. Oh, yeah. Look at that sausage plate. What's it called? The sampler or something?
Symphony.
Yeah. You know what we got? We got the white. Is that an Ockwurst?
That's the white sausage, the vice versa.
Vice versa. This is the Frankfurter.
Bratwurst?
Oh, yeah, we'll call it that.
Big old brat underneath. We got
Currywurst.
warm potatoes.
Currywurst, 2 types of mustard, and some red sauce. I'm not sure what that is.
It's ketchup and sauerkraut.
I'm just going to be rude. That's so juicy. Flavor is so good on that. Very hot, be careful. Going straight for the kraut. Especially after all like the bangers we've been eating, you know?
Yeah, it's a good soft brat.
Yeah, absolutely.
I feel like it's more firm in the States. It's really good.
Frankfurter, namesake, half the reason we're here.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. All these sausages are just so like well balanced, unoffensive, you know what I mean?
But full of flavor.
Oh, absolutely full of flavor. Properly seasoned.
That Frankfurt's really good.
And the casings are so soft.
Yeah, that sauerkraut is phenomenal too.
Yep.
I know it's a horrible time to be trying to document this, but Frankfurt looks a lot like Austin, Texas. This looks like the Congress Bridge.
Yeah.
It's bizarre.
This is South First Bridge.
Yeah.
Roast.
So I'm not sure what that was. I'm not sure if that was a German hip-hop concert, if that was open mic, or if that was karaoke.
Could have been just some freestyling.
It was sweet, but if you can't tell, we're just kind of bar hopping around Frankfurt right now. Surprisingly, there's a lot of beer around here.
Weird.
Fun side note about Germany, you can just walk around drinking beer here.
It's true.
That's pretty sweet. Like clinkies. It's the next day. We got rained out last night, so didn't stay out too late. Got some sleep, feeling good. Found ourselves in a beautiful garden of some sort, and I think we're aiming towards a restaurant, but we are kind of lost, I think.
Oh, we found it. It's right there.
Oh, it's right there? Tight. Name of the game today, find some schnitzel, find some pork knuckle, probably find a beer at some point, and of course, if I see a sausage, we're gonna eat it. Look at this view, huh? Lovely day for a little stroll.
What a beaut.
Are they good grapes?
Try them, they're delicious.
Okay. Oh, that's great.
Right?
It's great.
Cool.
I believe it's a chaga mushroom.
Can I lick it?
See these little droplets right here? Stick your tongue into that.
That'll change the rest of the video real quick.
Yep.
We just discovered something pretty fantastic. We got these mugs of beer, and if you put a coaster on top, it makes a fun noise. Are you ready, boys?
That's good.
Do it. First schnitzel of the trip, we got ourselves some Wiener Schnitzel and some Frankfurter Schnitzel, the original. So that's veal, and that's pork?
Yeah. Nice.
Can't forget the green sauce. Famous stuff over here. How's the green sauce?
Very herbaceous.
Boys, first authentic German schnitzels. What are your thoughts?
More of a sausage guy. Honestly, it was good. I really liked it, but
Super tender veal.
Veal was great.
I like that green sauce.
Green sauce was good. You said that's like yogurt based?
Yogurt, minced eggs,
Really?
borage, parsley, tarragon.
Might have to try and recreate that. Between the veal and the pork, I think we can all say the veal was definitely the best. But also, I'm kind of wondering if there's a ceiling to schnitzel. Like, is there a really good schnitzel versus a bad schnitzel? I don't know. We'll have to find out. We made it to a market, and so far, it's looking pretty good. Look at that bone marrow right there. Lots of meats. This place seems to have it all.
Charcoal 100 grams. It's okay.
Yes.
Frankfurt.
Drivers.
This is the beef sausage.
Very nice. Beef and pork. I like how she took the casing off too.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It doesn't look casing free, but it is. Pretty good?
Yep, that's exactly what I was looking for.
Really?
Good caraway seed.
Yep, caraway.
Hell of a bind on that.
Oh, fantastic.
Ooh, nice and warm too. Dude. Whoa. It's like the best hot dog I've ever had in my life.
Right there.
Oh my god.
Remember what that one's called? That's beef?
That's the Rheinwurst.
Grinders. I've been seeing that everywhere. I'm like,
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
It's like a giant hot dog. It's so good.
Classic beef,
Juicy.
juicy emulsified sausage.
So plump.
Let me get in on that. Some good mustard too. Oh my god, that is so flavorful. And also, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I'm a big fan of the Pfefferbeißen, and it did not take long to track one down. And this one's looking really good, feeling nice and firm. And this is a dried sausage. I've got a couple videos on these on the channel. Pretty easy to make, but let's see what they're like. Woo, snappy. That's a good sausage right there.
Ooh.
Got some
Soft texture, but it's like crunchy edges.
snappy casing. It's kind of got some tang to it too, which is nice. Matt, come try this Pfefferbeißer.
Definitely a tang.
It's like a summer sausage stick, but it's like incredibly tender as opposed to like more of a tight emulsified. Tasty stuff.
I like the texture.
The texture's great. Sausage mountain. Look at all that meat. I gotta make some of these dried sausages when I get back. Specifically those. Look at all these dried sausages. A bunch of dry aged meat in there. Cannot see with the reflection. One more dried sausages. This is like the 9th butcher shop we've walked by.
This is all lamb, I think.
Ooh, I do love lamb. So much meat. I think we could cook an ostrich egg at the hotel, right?
Yeah.
Maybe. Look at these little quail eggs. These ones are blue. Had to get another pretzel. Get some snack sticks for the road trip tomorrow. I just can't get over how perfect everything looks. Like, look at the bind on these. Look how round they are. We know how to make their sausage over here, folks.
We got one Endlos.
The curly.
We got a Dubru,
Beautiful.
some Westphalian dry cured ham,
Ooh.
and a chili dog.
I want to try that chili dog. Chili dog. Oh no. What'd we find?
Here.
Yep.
Westphalian ham.
Westphalian. I heard Australian, and I was wondering why you bought it.
Very mild smoke. Try that, Nick.
It's impossibly thin.
Not overly salty.
That's nice.
That's really good. Very pleasant. Love how thin it is. Nice and fatty. That's the one I'm most excited for. You ever seen a pigtail looking sausage? Look at that thing. What is that?
Endlos.
You think they just like wrap it around a dowel?
Yeah.
Oh, it's cool. Kind of looks like the Pfefferbeißer.
Yeah. Kind of tastes like it too.
Harder though.
Drier.
That's good though. Definitely got that snack stick vibe, but
Good quality pork.
100% better quality, yeah.
That's fun.
Chili dog. Does it smell spicy?
Smells spicy. Looks spicy.
It smells kind of like a dog treat, as a lot of dried sausages do.
A lot of paprika.
It's red. It's crazy the different textures you can get from a dried like snack stick. All three, the Pfefferbeißer, the little curly one, and this one, completely different textures with snappy and tenderness.
A little bit of heat.
A little bit.
A little cayenne.
Kind of pepperoni-esque.
Red chili
Good.
flake.
Well, boys, I think we're doing a pretty good job on this German checklist. We already had Pfefferbeißer, we've had some pretzels, we had schnitzel,
Had some beer.
a couple of beers here and there. Pork knuckle is next, and then München. And yet another beautiful day. Just wandering around town. Not sure where we're at right now, but might as well have a little salami stick. Nice and salty. Got that mold on the outside. So cute. So far, I'm really liking Germany. Just beers wherever you go. Sausage pretty much everywhere. Still gotta find a good pretzel. That one we had wasn't great. That might be more of a Munich thing. We're kind of starting to realize that all the things we really want are in Munich or Bavaria, to be specific, like pretzels and pork knuckles and things of that nature. But
It's still great here.
oh yeah, I like it. It's a city, but it's not too hustle bustle.
Yeah.
It's like Austin 15 years ago.
Yeah.
We get some Tex-Mex.
I mean, this place looks legit.
So on our journey through Frankfurt, it would appear we found one of the few barbecue spots. We're at Chicago Williams. So let's see how it is. So to kick things off, we were welcomed with a nice bowl of corn soup. Nice touch. How is it, boys?
Sweet. A little bit of heat.
That's nice.
Smoky.
All right, folks, here it is, Chicago Williams. We got some coleslaw. We got some ribs. These are pork ribs.
Those are pork ribs.
They have veal
That's
ribs.
a small portion.
Yeah, we were gonna get veal ribs, but they're sold out. But these are some adorable little pork ribs. They kind of look like the ones that they cooked in Finland.
Yeah.
Remember those?
Applesauce looks like.
A little schmear. Got
Baked
some
beans
baked
with
beans.
looks like some burnt ends in here. Beef burnt ends. I don't know.
Nice touch. Fatty slice of pastrami, pickle with the mustard. Looks good. Nice brine. Well, almost a nice full brine. And then a slice of brisket as well. Doesn't look too shabby.
That's right.
Always starting with the sides.
You know me. It's pretty good baked bean. The meat not that tender, but it's a good touch.
Look at this tiny little rib. Adorable. It's actually pretty meaty. Not like in your face smoky, but there is a smoke there. Like mesquite maybe.
Is yours burnt?
A little bit.
Mine's burnt.
A little bit crispy. Good cooked though. They eat like spare ribs, but they look like baby backs. Have you ever seen a rack of ribs that small?
No, I have not. Smoky. Definitely on the heavy side of the salt. A little bit of bitterness going on there.
Very saucy. Kind of sweet baby raisin. Grilled, so they got that char flavor to them.
Not as sweet, but they're sticky.
They're bitter.
A little bit. That's why the applesauce is there.
Yep.
Pickle's nice.
How's it feeling?
First bite of brisket in Germany. A little tight, but well seasoned.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm curious what they're cooking on too.
I would assume a rotisserie of some sort. A little tight. Not bad.
Well
though.
seasoned though. Yeah.
Good smoke ring. Barky. Nothing's overpowering, which is good. Little mustard.
That's a great pastrami.
Cut it with a fork. Oh yeah. Fatty, tender, gotta love that. That's really good. So far, loving the slaw. You know, surprising that the Germans did cabbage right. Beans, I keep going back to. I really like them. There are definitely some nice tender pieces of meat in there. The flavor is good. Sweet, not too sweet. Pastrami is good. Brisket, a little tight, but you know, I've had worse. Ribs, it's just a different style, I think, you know, because they're grilled and super saucy, as opposed to like smoked, like what we do. But all in all, for German barbecue, I think it's like one of the only barbecue spots in Frankfurt, but not bad. Honestly, that was better than I was expecting.
Yeah.
As the first bite, when we had that first, I had an end cut rib and it was kind of charred. My expectations went down, but sides were good.
Yeah.
Sauces were good. Beans were good. Brisket could use a little bit of work, or just sliced a little thinner, honestly.
Yeah.
But I've cooked briskets like that before.
Everything was seasoned well.
Seasoned well, gotta love that. Pastrami was good. I like it with the mustard, you know, solid. And a little bit more happening part of town now. A lot of restaurants and bars around, but I think we're finally gonna hunt down a big old pork knuckle. Actual? Probably pronouncing that wrong. Guys, so apparently it's a big thing in Frankfurt, the apple wine or the apple wine spritz. So we're gonna try them out right now. It looks like tang.
I don't think this one's traditional. It has Aperol in it.
It's tasty, honestly not much flavor to it. Not very strong, but it's refreshing. And look what just came. Our crispy skin pork knuckle. Oh, look at that. Look at it. Oh yeah.
Failure.
Tender pork covered in crispy skin. Yup. Yeah. Not good. Pork knuckle. Little tight.
Crispy skin. Could be cooked a little more.
Crispy skin.
Skin was great.
Seasoned well.
I wish it came with gravy. A lot of the pictures looked like it came in a really dark, flavorful gravy. But yeah, it was solid. A little hard to eat. Kind of hard to like saw out a piece of meat that's got 2 bones in it.
I could see recreating it.
Oh, we're definitely recreating it. And I want to sniff out a few more while we're here, just to see if they're all like that, or if, you know, some of them are a little more tender.
Want to sniff some pork knuckle?
Coming up. It was really pink meat, so we're thinking it's cured or hand brined or something like that. But we're going to have to do some research before we try and throw one of these on the old Chud box. Back on the bridge. Another view of this beautiful city. Wonder if there's fish down there. Still will never get used to the fact that you can just walk around drinking beer on the streets. You can drive with beer here too.
Yeah.
As long as you're 0.5 centiliters. Yeah, we'll never understand that.
We need that trash can at the Chud shop.
It's appropriate.
Like, I'm telling you, that looks like Austin, Texas. Folks, how's the Autobahn treating you?
Pretty good. Can't really go that fast yet.
So we're on our way to Munich, or München, as I should say. Just drove on the Autobahn for a couple hours, and now we stopped in Nuremberg, cute little town. It's incredibly hot. Feels like it's like 90 degrees right now. And yeah, we're just kind of bopping around, seeing what this place has to offer. And yeah, we're probably gonna find some sausage or something. What are we doing here?
Getting some sausages, of course. I think we enter here.
Beauty. 5 minutes in Bavaria.
Where are we, Nick?
Mustard.
Ooh.
Nuremberg.
When was this place established?
The restaurant?
Yeah.
1419.
How's the pretzel?
Best one yet.
Yeah, that's good pretzel.
Nice. It's a good looking pretzel. Get some more obatsta. This is a good one. Yeah, nice garnish, bud. Looks like the wieners have arrived. Those look so good. Oh man, I can smell those from here.
Smells so good.
Fresh off the grill. Look at these tiny little guys. These are just Nuremberg sausages.
Yep.
Love it.
Light lunch.
Just a light 20 sausage lunch. Is it potato salad or just potatoes?
Potato salad.
Potato salad. Is that kraut or is that just like a
That's
salad?
cabbage salad with bacon.
Yes, please. That looks so good. How is it?
The texture is amazing.
Yeah.
It's
Okay, look at that.
sweet, slightly
It's like
acidic.
slightly sweet.
Slightly sweet, kind of acidic. But I'm more of like, the potatoes are perfectly cooked.
Yeah.
But yet, it's creamy like a soup.
Yeah.
I was expecting it to be warm. I mean, it looks like cheese,
Yeah.
but it's bright. That's really good. Looks like a little breakfast sausage. Whoa, that's juicy. Tastes like bacon.
Definitely
So good.
sage forward.
Yeah, that's fantastic. Glad we got a bunch.
Put it in our pockets for later.
Oh yeah, cabbage salad with bacon. They know how to do their cabbage over here. Bright, sweet. I wish more coleslaw tasted like that.
Yeah.
That's good. Honestly, Zoom Goldenstern, probably one of my favorite meals.
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect lunch. Just jamming a bunch of tiny sausages down your gullet. Cold glass of beer. I'm liking this town already. I like Germany. It's great here. But I think that's where we're gonna cap this one off. You know, I gotta say, Frankfurt, beautiful town. Love that city. It was a lot of fun, easy to get around, a lot of good food. Nuremberg, quick stop. We're about to head out. We gotta return the rental car down in München. But I would like to spend some more time here. It's a great little town. And surprisingly, it's very easy to get around Germany knowing absolutely zero German, which has been great. Everyone's been super friendly. Highly recommend it. But be sure to tune in next week. We're going to Munich. We're gonna do probably more of the same. I think there's some mini Oktoberfest things starting to happen, so that should be fun. And then it's back to Texas after that. But all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that subscribe button. Let YouTube know by dropping a like on this video. If you come to any of these restaurants or towns for yourself, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chuds BBQ. I'd love to see where y'all are eating. Big shout out to all the Patreon members. Thank you for supporting Team Chud and allowing me to keep making all these videos. And until the next time I see you, please go cook something outside. Peace.